Word Rally is a PvP word guessing game. So this is the screen that players will land on when they access the page. This is for an existing player, and then this is for a new player. The player information is just stored in the local storage for now. So that once they hit start game, they'll be brought over to a lobby screen where they can create or join a lobby. So in this case, player 1 will be the host, and player 1 will create a lobby. The second player can then join the lobby by entering the code provided. So this is the lobby screen. What the players can do here is they can select the stances. So the stances are based on real world sports, and depending on the stance selected, different skills will be available. So the first player will choose tennis, and then the second player will choose football. In this case, football is soccer. And once both players are ready, the host can start the game. So this is the game screen. At the bottom of the game screen, there will be instructions on how to play. So the players will take turns guessing the word. The first to guess the word wins the rally, and the first to win 3 rallies will win the game. There's also some explanation on the stances and skills, but I'll show this as we play the game. So the person who gets the first turn is actually assigned at random, and each turn, by default, the players will have 1 guess point to guess a letter, as well as 1 skill point to activate a skill. Let's say player 2 guesses feet, and it's the correct letter. They can also activate a skill, but in this case, I'll skip the skill and show this later on. Okay, so now it's player 1's turn. Player 1 has options to activate skills as well as to guess. In this case, I'll activate Ace, which actually grants a correct guess at the cost of 1 additional guess point. So by clicking guess, you can see that it automatically gives the correct letter, but it also consumes not just a skill point, but a guess point. And so the player can just end the turn like so. What you see here is that the actions of players will actually be shown in the action logs here as well. Now that it's player 2's turn again, I'll show another skill, which is tackle. So tackle will steal a correct guess from the opponent. So for now, G is the correct guess on player 1's board. But if I click tackle, the letter is actually just stolen straight up. Okay, so I'll just make another guess for player 2. End the turn. Okay, let me just show the remaining skills. So fault is makes the opponent straight up miss their turn. So as an example, if I click fault for player 1 and then end turn, you can see that now that it's player 2's turn, they actually can't do anything because the skill of fault is in action. So all they can do is just end the turn. Okay, and the last skill, goalkeeper, will actually just block the opponent's next correct guess. As an example, if I were to click goalkeeper and then end my turn. So now if player 1 tries to make a correct guess, in this case we know G is the correct one. You can see that player 1's correct guess has been blocked by the goalkeeper skill. Okay, I've progressed the game a little bit further. We can see that player 2's spot is almost full with 1 letter remaining. And so once player 2 makes this correct guess and ends the turn, we can see that their score is incremented. So this is essentially how the game progresses until one player reaches 3 points. Okay, I've skipped ahead once again. So now player 2 is almost going to win the game. All that remains is 1 more correct guess. And once player 2 makes the correct guess and ends the turn, we can see that now player 2 is the winner and then player 1 is the loser. So what they can do is they can just go back to the lobby and then repeat the process again. Thank you for watching.